Okay, in this video we shall be looking at how to face Instagram DM not opening problem. Okay, in this tutorial we shall be looking at how to face Instagram DM not working problem. So if today happens to be your first time on this channel, subscribe so that anytime I upload a new video, you might be the first person to watch it. Now, without wasting much time, let's get started. Now, what you need to do in the first place is to open your settings. Now, once you open your phone settings, just look for apps and notifications. Now, once you look for apps and notifications, click on applications over here, application settings, and once you click on that, just look for your Instagram over here. And once you look for your Instagram, click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache, and also you can click on clear storage. But if you know that you don't remember your password, don't click on clear storage. And once you are done, open your Play Store, search for your Instagram, now make sure you update your Instagram to the latest version over here. So click on update and update your Instagram to the latest version. Now once you are done, the problem will be fixed. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching, and also subscribe for more.